Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and like. Now back to the news. By 2030, artificial intelligence could be looking after our elderly, making films and teaching lessons, or it could have wiped out the human race. These are the wildly different predictions from 8 AI experts from the US and UK, who predict how the technology may change our lives within the next decade. It comes amid growing calls for regulators to put the lid on the development of AI, amid fears that it could lead to waves of job losses and render us obsolete. Generate entire films in a day. AI technology could become so good that it will start to generate entire films within a day, predicts New York-based writer of Apple TV Sci-fi series Silo Mr Howey. Speaking to dailymail.com, he said it was only a matter of time before AI tools were capable of making films. I've had access to alpha versions of art generators for a few years now, and I've watched how quickly they go from very rough approximations to photorealism so good that you can't distinguish the AI art from photography, he said. Generated films are now in the same early stages that I saw still art go through 2 or so years ago. It's only a matter of time and processing power before films are created in real time. The films will be terrible at first, but they'll only get better. I think people will watch them and be fascinated by them even when they aren't very good, the same way we find our nonsensical dreams captivating. He added. These things only get better, and their improvements are permanent. They don't have to relearn and start over the way we do. They just grow and grow. His comments echo predictions from the director of Avengers Endgame, Joe Russo, who predicted last month that AI would be able to make movies in just 2 years' time. Mr. Russo told the entertainment news website Collider, "I'm on the board of a few AI companies. Potentially, what you could do with AI is obviously use it to engineer storytelling and change storytelling. AI also has the potential to transform the education sector and tailor lesson plans to classes." Dr. Ijaz Ali, the head of business and computing at Ravensbourne University in London, made the prediction. He said children could soon have their own personalized AI tutor, who will deliver lessons tailored to the areas they are struggling with. This could even be done through augmented reality glasses or robots, he suggested. Dr. Ali said, "We could also see AI-powered virtual tutors, who will provide personalized feedback and support to students. In the next 10 years, we may see AI-enabled virtual classrooms that can create a more immersive and interactive learning experience." It is expected that AI could be used to complement current conventional teaching methods, rather than fully replacing teachers.